Okay, so here we are, just out on Outrun Beach. The old man's just cutting a log up to make a wooden surfboard. Just over filling the chainsaw up now.
We put a bit more oil in, and we've just cut that slab up there to make up not one board but two. I might be able to get out of it. It's not going to be that wide, but I'll see when I cut this heart cut. Now I'm nearly there. I've just run out of petrol. In this little 009 still, it's a gas little saw. It's cut that whole log through in one hit. I might be able to get right through it. I think it might be a little bit on that end that I can't get, and that's it. Right, Broads, I'm going to do a reverse cut now up the other way, because I've cut it right down through the other side. As you know, we've turned the log over. So now, just to make sure it lines up, it's hard to do this unless you know what you're doing. So I wouldn't advise anyone that's not experienced to have a go at it, because it's only got to jam it and cut your shoulder off, and I've got no safety gear on because I don't never use it. Right, we moved this slab from over there in the bush over to here. We've got it on the bench now, so I'm just going to mark out what I want, what shape I want now. So, yep, that's what we're doing now. I can get about 15 inches out of this, Broads.
Oh yeah.
Look out this end, get halfway point. Find the happy medium. I'm going to make this a little board. I was going to make it 6'3", but now I'm going to make it 5'3", so it'll look prettier, and I can get there's a little bit of a curve in the end of that log there. So. Right, I just roughed this out now with the chainsaw, so it's nice and thin now. It's only 1.5 inches, so I can start working it now with the planer. It's come out alright actually. Can you see?
you.